Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Naz.
And I'm Alba, and we are in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We have already uploaded 2 videos, one about entering to Malaysia and another one exploring a little bit of Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, and in this video we're gonna be trying Malaysian street food in
Jalan Alor, which is a very famous street for its food.
Yes, so right now we're gonna meet a friend that I haven't seen in like 7 years, and she's from here, she's from Malaysia. So we're gonna meet her. She's gonna give us maybe some recommendations of where to go and what to try. And yeah, we're gonna kick off our adventure for today.
Yeah, so let's get started with seeing a little bit more of Kuala Lumpur with your friend, and then we'll take you guys to try some street food.
By the way, if you don't follow us on Instagram just yet, make sure you go there, because in the next 24 hours we'll have a poll, so you can help us decide where in Malaysia we go next.
Yes.
So yeah, go and vote.
Don't forget!
How are you?
It's so long! Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? I'm good as well. Let's go. The coffee is really good.
This one is like a French cannelle. And then it has the flavor of pandan inside.
Okay.
There, it's green.
He's struggling.
Inside.
Yeah, pandan is green.
Oh, yeah, of course, they said it's a leaf.
Leaf, yeah.
Okay.
So it's definitely not chocolate, unless it was mint chocolate.
No, it smells like bolo. It's nice.
Is it good?
It's like custardy,
Oh,
right?
this tastes like something familiar from Portugal.
Like a
From
pastéis
Portugal.
de nata.
Yeah,
pastéis de
the
nata,
crust is
yeah.
similar.
Pastéis de nata is custard.
It doesn't taste
Yeah.
So, how do you say table in Malay?
Table is in Portuguese is mesa, and in Malay is meja. So we were just talking about the similarities between Portuguese and Malay. And
Like kamar.
window, how do you say window?
Jendela. Jendela.
Jendela.
And in Portuguese?
Janela.
Jendela.
There you go, yeah.
So, like these mountains over here, we don't get really bad typhoons from the South China Sea because of all these mountains over here.
So they protect.
Yeah, they protect us.
So the city of Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so this rooftop is 100% insane. You see literally a 360 view of the whole of Kuala Lumpur. So yeah, let's come check the other side. Okay, so right in the distance you can see the Saloma Bridge, and we were just told that it's a bridge. First of all, it's super famous because it's colorful and it changes colors, but it connects Old Town to New Town, and you can see it's so evident. Everything on this side is like super modern, and on that side you have like a big place that's like full of traditional buildings. Super interesting. So we've just been invited to eat here, to have dinner, and now we're gonna try to eat some of the food that comes in a very, special way. So we're just getting a bit of the culture in. And
It's good. What is it?
Mutton.
Uh-huh.
Mutton biryani.
Oh. Wow.
Tada.
That looks nice. Yay! Peanut biscuits.
Yeah.
Peanut biscuits made by Amy's mom.
Amy's mommy.
Very good. Oh, it tastes
What does it taste
homemade.
like?
Like homemade.
It's like home.
Oh, it's very good. Alright, so we had a lovely evening last night with our friends Amy and Taki. Thank you guys so much for showing us around and hosting us for dinner. We had an amazing time. And now it's time for us to head to Jalan Alor finally to try some local street food. So we're excited and come along with us.
Yes.
For now, no?
Yes, I'll have a chicken bowl and you have that.
Yeah. Yeah. You will get the
Here, here. So we made it to Jalan Alor. It looks like this kind of place is best at night. We didn't know that, but we will definitely come back. But yes, we've been walking around, we saw some places and we came across this place which has dumplings and baos and dim sums.
Yeah. So we're gonna try some as the first stop, and then we might go to another place to try other things. There's still things open at midday, so it's still fine to come at this time.
Yeah, the main challenge is because you're vegetarian.
Yeah.
It's not as easy to find local
Yeah,
food.
but I'll make Nas try everything.
Thank you.
Alright, you can have a proper laugh at us because we had to ask how we eat this. Gave us the little trays to eat with the hands.
Yeah.
These are egg buns, I believe.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Really?
It's like a bit sweet. Yeah.
Okay. Mine is like a chicken type of bao, I think. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
This one's sweet. I didn't expect it to be sweet.
This one?
Is that sweet as well?
No, but it's
No?
good. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was.
Solid 8 out of 10?
7 out of 10. Just because I didn't think it was gonna be sweet. I would
Yeah.
have had it at the end.
Mine are an 8.5, I'll take that.
Nice. I don't remember the exact name of these noodles, but I do believe that this is more Cantonese food. I ordered a vegetarian and Nas ordered the same, but with meat. So yeah, we're gonna try them.
Is it good?
Oh, I love noodles. They're so good.
So, but what does it have?
So I have glass noodles, which is the thin ones,
Yeah.
and then they put egg, mushrooms, and a bunch of other vegetables like carrot and stuff. And I don't know what sauce they use, to be honest. Maybe soy sauce or something like that. Nothing like super special, like just noodles, but they taste like good and authentic. Whenever I would order noodles in Europe, like didn't taste like this, so I'm just happy to have some authentic ones.
Yeah. But this is more Cantonese food. We wanna go and try more Malaysian foods. No? This is Cantonese.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
I
yeah,
think this area, our friends the other day told us that it has more Chinese food.
Yeah.
But that, you know, we also want to try it. We're not gonna go to China anytime soon.
Yeah.
But you guys let us know in the comments, like, what are your Malaysian food recommendations that you think we should try? And let me know if you have any recommendations for vegetarian Malaysian food, because I'm struggling to find it.
It's a lot. Mine is a lot more saucy. I feel, which I like. Let's see if it actually tastes good, but I'm sure it does.
All the flavors.
Oh, this is good. I've never eaten. Well, I ate once, but I don't remember ever liking these thin noodles.
Glass noodles, I love them.
Oh, but they're so good.
Yeah.
These are so good. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far.
Yes, don't forget to give the video a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have still a lot of Malaysia to explore and we're gonna be sharing it with you guys. Thank you for being here, and see you in our next video.